Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the best chocolate cake you've ever had from scratch. Let's get into it. So I have all my ingredients, and you can find the measurements and the ingredients in the description below, but I'm going to start by mixing all the dry ingredients in a large bowl. So then we're going to mix our wet ingredients into the dry ingredients that we just mixed in the large bowl. So then you're going to mix all your ingredients until it's a batter consistency. Now that my batter is mixed, I'm going to divide it into 2 cake pans and put it in the oven for 35 minutes at 350 degrees. Don't forget to grease your pan. So I just let them cool for about 10 minutes after I took them out of the oven, and now I'm going to put them together in ice foam. So I'm going to go do that and show you when it's done. And there we have the final product. Now it's time to taste test it.